Hello everyone. Today my second blog, and this blog I explain in the everything in the gym. And first topic is gym. What is the important of a gym, and what is the disadvantage of a gym? Advantage, disadvantage, important, and why people do in the gym, come in the gym and wasted like everything is a little bit gym. First of all, what is a college of a gym? Gym, it is a place. It is a place. That place, some people came and work out a different type of workout. Different type of workout means people do, and in body, mostly in improve body in human body. In human body, not in natural body is different, and people is if do the some work, and that body in the in a different type of that type. What is important and why people need in gym? For example, if people daily basis workout in the gym, then body all the body body is a very, first of all, body is strong. People do, if just you meet in like any gymmer person, in you see this person look is a very unique and very attractive, and all the people like this people have a unique body compared to you, like this. For example, if in this not only this world, if you are unique, then everyone like me. If you are not unique, people not like you. For example, no, not for example, I just not destroying in topic. That reason people just thinking it gym is important for me and my life. And this is a very important. What in all the gymmer in the prefer only diet. If you work out in this any gym in 1 and 2 hours, and any hours, if you not in at any type of extra protein anything, to your body is just negative impact and not modifying not effective in properly. For example, me right now in third year, right now in BTech in third year, in 2.5 year I live in Nagpur. In first year and after 2 and 3, I decided that I started in the gym. I started in the gym in this. I daily basis I came and work out in my body, work out in my body. But then, but not is a very unique and effect in my body. Why? That reason, because I not properly diet in that day. And this is like in the, if in all the gym, or it's just if you come in this gym, then you first rule you all the workout in properly. If you wrong direction in any type of workout, then you are very negative impact in your body. For example, in every gymmer, just guide in, first of all, it is just suggest me. For example, for first you compare, because you have knowledge, you compare to little bit your study purpose. Because if you go in every day in a college, but you read everything in a read this teacher, in you just own mind, but teach you, if you not apply in your teaching field, then definitely you will not helpful for you. Just that similar is gym, the same. And as a bad things is not in the bad things for, but to me, if it's a bad thing for some little bit person. If person came in the gym on workout in the wrong things, and not eating anything of diet, that people is a side effect. Some also research is a unit of certificate. Is some people is a very fault in also do everything gym, but it's not is effective for that person. Okay, nice talking. And tomorrow I if you see